In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Xero email templates. If you've ever wanted to give a personalized touch to the emails you send through Xero, this guide is exactly what you need. Crafting a customized email not only helps convey a professional tone, but also strengthens your brand identity. Now, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Xero website. Open your preferred web browser, type in the Xero URL and log into your account. Remember, having your login credentials ready will speed up this part of the process significantly. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Look towards the top right where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a new menu full of various options that you can tweak and adjust according to your business needs. We'll be focusing on email templates in this guide, so let's move on. Next, you should see an option labeled Invoice Settings. Click on Invoice Settings to proceed. By doing so, you're accessing the area where you can manage the styles and content settings of the invoices and, by extension, the email templates that accompany them. It's important to remember that customizing these templates can influence how your communication is perceived by your clients, so it's a great practice to revisit your setup regularly. Once inside the Invoice Settings, spot the Options button. This button will present several functionalities to you, but right now, we need to focus on editing, so click on Options and then follow by clicking on Edit. This action will open the editor screen where you can make the necessary changes to your email templates. You're almost there. Now you're in the space where creativity can flow. On this screen, feel free to edit your template as you see fit. This area is designed to allow you to customize the text and format in a way that aligns with your brand's voice and image. You may want to consider adjusting the language for clarity or adding a personal touch to make your communications more personable. Be sure to double-check all your changes for accuracy, as this will ensure professionalism when your emails are sent out to clients. Once you are satisfied with your edits, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located towards the bottom or top corner of the screen, and click on it. This ensures that all your adjustments are preserved and will be reflected in future emails sent from Xero. And there you have it, a complete guide to editing Xero email templates. With just a few clicks, you can significantly enhance the quality of your business communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. See you next time.